Hi children, this is an introduction to chapter 8 comparing quantities, an introduction to ratio and percentage. And what is ratio? Suppose length of a rectangle is 6 centimeter and its breadth is 4 centimeter. So the ratio between the length and breadth is 6:4. So it is 3:2. This means that 3 units of length, the breadth is 2 unit. So if the length is 15 centimeter, then the breadth will be 10 centimeter. That is, comparing two units by division is called ratio. Now, in the example, the ratio of length to breadth, it is 6:4, that is 3:2. But the ratio of breadth to length is not 3:2, it will be 2:3. And ratio always should be in the lowest form. To find ratio, it is necessary that both measures should be of same unit. That is, to find ratio of 2 kg to 500 gram. We need to convert both quantities into same unit. So 2 kg to 500 gram will be 2000 gram to 500 gram, and don't forget you have to bring it to lowest form. Now percentage. Percent means per 100. That means 75 by 100 equal to 75%, 12 by 100 equal to 12%. So to convert a fraction into percent, multiply with 100. To convert ratio into percent, what you have to do? Ratio 2:5 means it is 2 by 5. So it is a fraction. Now multiply with 100. So to convert a fraction into percent or a ratio into percent, you need to multiply with 100. To convert percent into ratio, just opposite of that, is it? To convert percent to ratio, you have to divide by 100. That means 25% equal to 25 by 100. And we have to bring it to lowest form. It is 1:4. And to find percentage of a number, for example, 10% of 50 rupees will be 10%. So first we have to convert percent into ratio. Percent into ratio means what we have to do? First we have to write this percent in fraction format. That is 25 by 100. So 10% in the fraction format is 10 by 100. And that into the number. So 10 by 100 of 50 rupees, that means 5 rupee. 2.5% of 4 kg will be 2.5 by 100. 2.5 by 100. So here decimal is there, 2.5. So to remove that decimal, we need to multiply the numerator and denominator with the 10. So it will become 2.5 into 10 by 100 into 10. And we are finding the ratio of 4 kg. So into 4. So the numerator becomes now 25. 25 by 1000. That into 4. On simplifying, we will get 1 by 8 or 1 by 10. And what is 1 by 10? It is equal to 0.1 kg. That means 2.5% of 4 kg is 0.5 kg. To convert percent as ratios in simplest form, 0.6%, first you have to write it as the fraction format to percent format, percent to fraction. So divide by 100. So 0.6 by 100. Now we have to remove the decimal. So 0.6, no, so one decimal place you have to multiply with the 10 on the numerator, and when you do it, don't forget you have to do it in the denominator also. So 0.6 into 10 by 100 into 10. So this will become 6 by 1000. 6 by 1000 the lowest form, 3 by 100. So the ratio in the simplest form is 3:500. To express percentage as decimal, 1.5%, Okay, 1.5 by 100. Then remove the decimal. So 15 by 100, 15 by 1000, and 15 by 1000. Three zeros are there in the denominator. So in the numerator, we must have three decimal place. So here only two digits are there, 1 and 5. So to get three decimal place, we need to add one more zero. So 0.015. Is it clear? Now to express decimal as percent, to convert a decimal to percent is just like the fraction, just to multiply with 100. So 0.4 is equal to 0.4 into 100, which is equal to 0.4 into 100. What will come? 1 0 of the 100 will remove this decimal of the 0.4. So 1 0 will left, so 40. So it will be 40%. That means to convert a fraction or decimal to percent, you just have to multiply with 100. To convert percent to ratio or percent to fraction, you need to divide by 100. And if you want to convert percent to decimal, then first you have to convert it into fraction and make the denominator will become 100 or 1000 according to that decimal. Then you can write it as decimal or you can write it as ratio. Example, Geeta and Kishore scored 35 and 42 marks in math test out of 50. Find the ratio of their marks and also find percentage of each of their marks. So ratio of their marks. So 35 is to 42. So to bring it to lowest form, so both are divisible by 7. So we will get 5 is to 6. Now, percentage of Geeta's mark. What is the percentage? So she got 35 out of 50. So 35 by 50 and we want to find the percent. No, so into 100. So 70%. Similarly, percentage of Kishore's mark is 42 by 50, that into 100, which is equal to 84%. Is it clear? Now, 6 1 by 4% of a number is 2. What is the number? So let the number be x. We have to find out that. Then 6 1 by 4% of x means what? 6 1 by 4 divided by 100. Is it? Percent to fraction means percent divided by 100. So 6 1 by 4 by 100 into the number x, which is equal to given as 2, which is equal to 2. That is 6 1 by 4 by 100 into x equal to 2. So we will take this 100 to RHS. So what will happen? 6 1 by 4 into x equal to 200, or x equal to 200 divided by 6 1 by 4. That is 6 1 by 4. When you convert into improper fraction, it will become 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 1, 25 by 4. And division by a fraction means what? Multiplying with its reciprocal. That is 200 into 4 by 25. On simplification, it is 32. That means 6 1 by 4% of 32 is 2. Clear? Is it clear? Find the percentage of marks you scored in each subject in the half-yearly exam. Also find your total percentage of marks in the exam. If the pass percent for each subject is 40%, what is the pass mark for each subject? Find out. Thank you.